This is a quick video to use divide by 10 patterns for multiple digit division. Just looking at the problem real quick, this symbol here, the slash, means to divide. I don't have a divide symbol right now. Okay, so if we take the problem 420 divided by 10, there are a couple ways that we can solve it. Okay, we can start by drawing 420 in circles. Okay, 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay, and 20. Okay, we did this in units of 10 because that's going to be easier to divide. Okay, then we can do 100 divided by 10 is 10. Okay, and we do that each of the 4 times. Okay, and then we also know that 10 divided by 10 is 1. And that happens twice. Okay, so if we look at this, if we take our 100s divided by 10 and our 10s divided by 10, we have 10, 20, 30, 42 as our solution. So 420 divided by 10 is 42. You notice that we're just moving the number. Okay? If we had 420, our decimal would be after the 0. Now we have it shifted one space to the right. This is one of the easier strategies to use. This setup here with the circles is called number disks. Okay, so when you get a problem that says use number disks, that's what this is talking about. Okay, let's look at another problem. If we have 1,600 divided by 100, we know that this is the same as 1,600, okay, divided by 100. So if we do 1,600 divided by 100, or rather we could write it as 100, we know that it's the same as 16 divided by 1, which is 16. Okay? 2 different ways to get to the same solution. We could still draw the circles, okay, but it might not make as much sense in this situation. If one way works better for you, do it that way. Okay? These are different patterns that we're looking at without solving it using the traditional algorithm. Another way that I was taught to write this that I like to use is I can do my 1,600 or 1,600s, and I'm dividing that by 100. And I know that my hundreds cancel out when I set it up like this. Okay, and then I just have 16 divided by 1. Okay, this line here means to divide. Okay, if that's confusing, don't use it. If it helps you, great, go for it. Okay, another problem, 24,000 divided by 600. Okay, I can use a shortcut where I can write 24,000 divided by 100, okay, which I'm then dividing by 600 divided by 100. Okay, I'm doing the same thing to both numbers, but by doing that, it allows me to get 600 into an easier number. It's going to be 6. 600 divided by 100 is 6. Okay, if I take 24,000 divided by 100, I have 240. Okay, and I already know off the top of my head that 24 divided by 6 is 4, so 240 divided by 6 is going to be 40. Again, I haven't used the traditional algorithm. I've done a different approach. Okay, let's look at one last problem. Okay, 180,000 divided by 9 thousands. Okay? I can do the same thing here, where I have 180 thousandths divided by 9 thousandths. Okay? My thousands cancel out. I know that 9 goes into 18 2 times, so it must go into 180 20 times. Okay? If it helps you to do the circles, do the circles. If this is easier for you, do it this way. There are multiple ways to get to the same solution. This is just to show you a few of them.